bono iga Matiang'i abwatane babekana bagusibonsi eyo strategy agenda atebe ng'anje bono nteretong'ane na ODM eyere saidi ya Ruto banegosietie ekero kio running mate koru Nyanza that is around
bagenda ase Ruto
atebe ng'a Nyanza bono ekero Nyanza togokeregwa ekera sikuno nyaga gotetia atenene ina lina na gotetia ekero totigeta amang'ana akonde ntori korigeria Ruto no mobe ntori tokorigeria ng'etha otiere neriri politics is about strategy okay
na njira na magana ago kiagera politics tebwati permanent enemy na bakonyora Matiang'i osu
ko mutabinga chikura kyose kyo mubusingo chiretande na Nyanza bono bali batete ko bagana otogochibeka tote tokoire kerogeke buna Nyanza toyo kuborani nyimeti buna Nyanza
waona again dekyo na kiweto soroga ukwane at some point na watemanga na Matiang'i na bagoche vaka there's some void within Nyanza. It's about one leader. Matiang'i ache anye take ave the leader of the Nyanza region. Anegotiate no one enchira yeteiga agere anyal kanenga Matiang'i nyo kerogo. But I have one challenge with that one. I have one problem with such a kind of a suggestion. Matiang'i na wade kusiyonse.
Okay.
Right now, the reason why it's a rhetorical question.
No, usitanye bwati esa oli
no
UDA na lebata kusiende. Lakini
that is not my thinking. My thinking is different. In politics ya Kenya, aba dombaro dometo what they are capable of. William Ruto ataragendete vena Uhuru Kenyatta back in 2013. Already he knew his ability through the no campaign.
Yes.
So Uhuru Kenyatta kakumuchiera maitengo mungono naru worth 1.something billion. After your already nationally, Ruto now what a certain billion. Right now, Kalonzo we know now what Amakamba because he has proven not once but a number of times Amakamba avuna wako motegera.
That is true.
So for Matiang'i to make sense for Ruto or any other politician, he must know his worth.
Hata tani CMCA, I expected actually nga Matiang'i kikure jichiaba nunge bona yare nge ya Jubilee angana mega tie so up angana je tali ya campaign
mtandao wote the point. So Matiang'i being that is going for the presidential race, we must know what Matiang'i is capable of by being at the ballot. Egaramanye ngusiyo kabwate gosengo attract yare support across the country. That is also in preparation for 2032 in case atabweti in 2027. But I say on a blanket what William Ruto now we have come now to see, he will remain to be that way forever. Because tama it what here and there might not be any other time I want to go try out. If it goes also
I disagree.
No, the other point. We like that. If he goes like that as well, then he's becoming selfish. But if indeed Katagete first of all kumanya his worth, he must be at the ballot. Egrama king what attract votes from the coast, from western. One of them. That is one. Number two, Matiang'i, as we speak today, we got to key Mbali Vuya na ODM party. Him just going just like that. ODM party mo consider haitakuwa rahisi. Then politically pia mbamu maitibunari. And these are political positions saraga ni kwa yo. Iko already bado mbaramanya what is the strength of Matiang'i. So it is my sincere, like also just before I give my conclusion, it is that you know, for Matiang'i to be called the kingpin, he must unite us at the ballot. After uniting us, negotiation after we have finished the elections. So as per today, Mugusitara chamo MPs ndra chozi chimo senators kiromont ana Matiang'i, so that even if he makes any negotiation yani kana Matiang'i nara where is ability na very eba election ne have kiro kini kia. So it is I have a feeling that Matiang'i, first of all, he needs to be at the ballot. Annual chukura chia to maina ki Matiang'i nationally is 5.2 million or 3 million or 50,000. So council can negotiate. I'm think about the 50,000 votes on the table. Because negotiation can either be pre or post.
Okay. Wakodo. Okay, Tiango answer kono. I agree, partly I agree with what you say, but another thing, Navora Kamu, what happened to Nyachai when he knew he was very nationalist, very kingpin. Completely. Let me give you an example. If you, I believe you were still politically involved in 2022, wasn't quite at least. Did you know Gachawa was just a first time MP. He was not known anywhere. Do you think Onyata Jolo running mate and so if we are talking, telling you, if you are given a running mate, it gives you a national exposure. It gives you a chance to create more networks. Okay? Lakini hizi Korani na whatever single-handedly nonyangu sini yako nyora bachumbe ndako kombiwe ndako nyora na bachumbe no embatana endo ko man ekara already mo I so bold ngoja tu the point na ya chaya voliti ya nyora very king either way ya China benefited from that kusito ka benefit in return. What did we benefit? What did we benefit? Kusi has always had ministers, so there is nothing special about it. And also, the idea of unity. No, the unity, yes, a unity. No, the way I say make a day. A unity. Nyachai was not a regular person. Nyachai was not Matiang'i. Nyachai was funding these people. Some of these people were owing him some loans. So they had no this way, back in this way. You get the point? That I was capable of the campaign. Do you know to the campaign somebody? Yeah? No. Rusi body no lakini nika jita rusi body ndi ya rusi tibu. Tuwasebe. Acha tu tuwasebe ne karawa nya wereki. Kingi bin wala manyeleka yomboza. Let me give an analogy. Before you give an analogy, David, I want to give the point that I wanted to counter my friend's argument. When I look at your example of Waminyoro, by the time he was going with William Ruto, he did not know his worth. I'm telling you this. If you look at it well from the third eye, Waminyoro did not know his ability in Mount Kenya. How many things I can pull crowds which can translate to votes. How many? Because William running mate, more as a leader, UDA. Why? Gachagua, it is when he's starting to know in are capable of. That's why every language they are Mount Kenya to keep on remaining the people that is there is the one. He keeps on telling people that one you've had it not once, not twice, but severally. Trying to let them know that I'm the one who has presented myself to that particular position. And his worth will be in 2027. No, I'm just telling you, Naki. Even just an appointment to be the running mate, still he did not know his worth. That's why William Ruto amwete kumimpeach, regardless of the thinking yaman, akamwa kumimpeach because that this person, of course, tema nyeti morning. Tema nyeti ba mchaitwa koranga tabu the vote sheet. And indeed it was true. It's when Rigathi Gachagua is building himself. He's building himself, starting with the party, coming together with the numbers. So 2027,
is working very hard right now to show the people what he's capable of by either bringing on board a number of MPs in parliament. So I feel that Matiang'i has to be at the ballot either way, if he wants to be a politician in the country.
The difference ya Gachagua na Matiang'i, the way you are talking about, okay? Gachagua knows what he wants, and he's making every day. Gachagua has never missed his word. He wants 100 members of parliament from Mount Kenya, then he will go to the table to negotiate. Okay?
Good. He wants to know his word.
So, listen, he wants 100 members of parliament from where? Mount Kenya.
Yes.
Ngaya concentrate. Bonera, na kiokorwa, hata ile komesonga, epati na rere popular, na rere kwerende, kilo monda denga, ega antabole tikoro epati yeye, tingo kore kwerende. Tingo sabayo. So, doja wana kusi. Ndio korwa ba kuchorwa. Matanga yako ba, wachumba abandi baje babeke sako. To ikera Matiang'i. Tu wedere. The bad thing is that 70-20% of MPs, they don't come back. They are constituents, they don't go come back. The opponent judge. The opponent might go now because politics is about personal interest first. Bono onyendi kutoka na wapate plan mneyo anango uanze kwa makinga uzi kila zangu tijani ananga bono ega omekiringa osoro na kingo dile nosoro eta tone ko sentio soraje ose imoro kinga I'm going to take him out bone Gachagua ero mata ko te kwa na wote baganga kangata Gachagua ngo te mako chiga odenga okay na kyote kitu pero spare
alimtoa kwa Linda Mwananchi sahi akaenda kwa
sindio because alimwambia niko na watu tayari kusimamiza huko
akaokoa
mtevi yangu bonongo ingo bono igalero aba bale bajire Linda Mwananchi kwanako barababele teno hene nege ndo yako rokana ya Jubilee nege wako enda ali Mwananchi wako kana